Ever thought about installing a PVC fence on your property? Welcome to this comprehensive guide, brought to you by Arvern Ironworks, your trusted partner in fencing solutions. We'll be taking a deep dive into the world of PVC fencing, exploring the ins and outs of pre-installation preparation, choosing the right fence, gathering the necessary tools and materials, and walking through the installation process step by step. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first step. Thorough preparation is key to a successful PVC fence installation. Let's delve into the crucial steps that make up the pre-installation preparation. Our journey begins with a comprehensive assessment of your property. This is where you get to play detective, exploring every nook and cranny of your land to identify your property lines. You see, knowing exactly where your property ends and your neighbor's begins is the first step in ensuring a smooth installation process. Next, you'll need to do a little bit of digging. Not literally, of course, at least not yet. In this stage, you're on the hunt for underground utilities. These could be anything from water lines to gas pipes. Unearthing these hidden elements is vital to prevent any unwelcome surprises during the installation process. But the assessment doesn't stop there. You're also looking for potential obstacles that could throw a spanner in the works. These could be large rocks, tree roots, or even a steep incline. Identifying these challenges ahead of time will help you plan around them, ensuring a seamless installation process. It's also important to consider the local regulations and guidelines for installing fences. Some areas may require permits or have restrictions on fence height and placement, so make sure you're up to date with these rules to avoid any potential issues down the line. Now, don't forget to take notes during your assessment. Documenting the details of your property, such as measurements and potential obstacles, will go a long way in helping you plan your fencing project effectively. With all that detective work done, you're now ready to embark on the next stage of your PVC fence installation journey. Your property has been thoroughly assessed, property lines have been identified, underground utilities have been located, and potential obstacles have been acknowledged. With your site fully prepared, it's time to move on to selecting your PVC fence. So stay tuned for the next segment, where we'll explore the various PVC fencing options available to you and how to choose the one that's just right for your property. Choosing the right PVC fence can greatly enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your property. It's not just a boundary, it's an extension of your home or business. So, how do you select the right one? Start by considering the style. A picket fence can lend a classic charm, while a privacy fence offers, well, privacy. Next, think about the height. A taller fence might be ideal for security, while a shorter one could be perfect for showcasing your beautiful garden. Now let's talk color. White is classic, but don't shy away from exploring other options. Arvern Ironworks offers a range of hues to complement any property. And of course, always ensure your chosen fence meets any local regulations and fits within your budget. With your PVC fence selected, gather your tools and materials for the installation, because it's time to transform your property into a space that's truly yours. Having the right tools at hand will make your PVC fence installation a breeze. For this project, we recommend gathering essentials such as a level to ensure straight lines, a post hole digger for precise excavation, concrete mix to secure the posts, and a measuring tape for accurate placement. Don't forget safety equipment like gloves and goggles. Arvern Ironworks emphasizes that using the correct tools and materials will streamline the process and contribute to a sturdy and long-lasting fence. With your tools and materials ready, let's move on to the installation process. Installing your PVC fence is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. So, let's get started with the actual installation. First and foremost, mark the fence line. This will serve as your guide throughout the installation process, ensuring that your fence is straight and aligned with your property boundaries. Use a string line or a long piece of straight lumber as a guide. Next, it's time to dig the post holes. The depth and width of these holes are critical. They should be deep enough to hold the post securely and wide enough to accommodate the concrete mix that will anchor the post. The rule of thumb is to dig a hole that is 3 times the width of the post and 1/3 as deep as the total length of the post. Once the holes are dug, it's time to place the posts. Start by adding a layer of gravel at the bottom of each hole for drainage. Then, place the post in the hole. Use a level to ensure that the post is perfectly vertical. This step is crucial. If the posts aren't level, the entire fence could end up crooked. Next, pour the concrete mix into the hole. You'll want to fill the hole until it's about 2 inches below ground level. This allows space for the soil to cover the concrete once it sets. Use a shovel or a stick to poke the concrete and eliminate any air pockets. allow the concrete to set for about 24 to 48 hours. This ensures that the posts are firmly anchored and ready to support the weight of the fence panels. Remember, patience is key at this stage. Rushing could jeopardize the stability of your fence. Once the concrete is set, it's time to attach the brackets to the posts. These brackets will hold the fence panels in place. Make sure the brackets are level and securely fastened to the post. With your posts securely in place, it's time to assemble and attach your PVC fence panels. Assembling and attaching your PVC fence panels will bring your fence to life. At this stage, you're transforming a series of posts into a sturdy, appealing barrier that adds value to your property. So let's get started. Firstly, lay out your PVC panels and examine them for any defects. Arvern Ironworks ensures the quality of each panel, but it's always good practice to double-check. Once satisfied, begin the assembly process. Each panel typically consists of pickets, horizontal rails, and brackets. The pickets slot into the rails, forming a solid, durable panel. Follow the instructions provided by Arvern Ironworks to ensure the panels are assembled correctly. Now, remember to be patient. Assembling the panels is like solving a puzzle. It may take some time, but the result is incredibly rewarding. Once your panels are assembled, it's time to attach them to the posts. This step requires precision and attention to detail. The panels should fit snugly between the posts, with the brackets securing them in place. To do this, align the panel with the first post, ensuring it's level. Then attach the brackets to the post using the provided screws. Repeat this process on the other side, ensuring the panel is secure and level. Remember, the key to a professional-looking fence is consistency. Make sure each panel is attached at the same height and orientation. This will give your fence a uniform look that is pleasing to the eye. While attaching the panels, be sure to wear safety gloves to prevent any potential injury. As with every step of this process, safety should be your #1 priority. As you attach each panel, you'll see your fence start to take shape. It's an exciting moment, seeing your hard work pay off. Finally, take a step back and admire your work. You've successfully attached your PVC fence panels, bringing your fence to life. With your fence panels in place, let's add the finishing touches to your new PVC fence. But that's a story for the next scene. Until then, keep up the great work. Adding the final touches to your PVC fence ensures that it not only looks great, but functions optimally. This might include adding decorative post caps or weather-resistant paint to further customize and protect your new fence. These small details can make a remarkable difference and add a unique charm to your property. Moreover, to ensure the longevity of your fence, regular maintenance is key. A simple cleaning with a mild detergent can keep your fence looking fresh and new. It's also essential to perform periodic inspections. Keep an eye out for any signs of wear or damage. Early detection can prevent minor issues from escalating into significant problems, saving you time and money in the long run. Remember, a well-maintained fence not only enhances the beauty of your property, but also its overall value. Congratulations! You've successfully installed a PVC fence on your property. Well done on a successful PVC fence installation. You've navigated through the process, from pre-installation preparation, where you assessed your property and identified any potential obstacles, to choosing the right PVC fence that complements your property's aesthetics and meets your needs for privacy and security. Remember, having the right tools and materials at hand, following the manufacturer's specifications, and paying attention to detail during the installation process and panel assembly are crucial for a sturdy and long-lasting fence. Don't forget those finishing touches and regular maintenance to ensure your fence remains in top condition. Once again, congratulations on your achievement. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Arvern Ironworks, your trusted partner in fencing solutions, is always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new PVC fence.